Mom. Guess what? He rolled over. Yeah, Marty's trying to get a video for you. Yeah, he just did it. Yeah, I think he likes it. He keeps doing it, but he's not doing it now that Marty's got the camera on. But yeah, a little bit, yeah. He was just pushing himself up. But then when we put him back on his tummy, he did it again immediately, so I think he likes it. Yeah. So. And Richard did a very good job babysitting.